if you just open the Watch app on your iPhone and then scroll all the way down, here you get the option to install apps on your Apple Watch. That means the app that you have previously installed on your iPhone will be available here to install on your Apple Watch as well. If you just tap install, this will be installed on your Apple Watch as well. But you don't get any option to delete Apple Watch apps from your iPhone itself. Further, if you just tap on any app, here you get the option to hide the app from your Apple Watch, but you don't get the delete option. So how would you delete Apple Watch apps? That's something we are going to learn in this video. Hello everyone, Rahul here from Tech Review Pro and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to delete apps on Apple Watch. So without any further delay, let's learn. As you might already be knowing, your Apple Watch provides app view orientation in two ways. Number one, list orientation, and number two, grid orientation. If you just go back from here, then scroll all the way to the top, here you see app view option. If you just tap on it, here you get the option for grid view and list view. Currently it is grid view selected, so if I tap on this, you can see it is in grid view, and if I tap on it, it will be changed into list view and we can see all the apps like this. So let's say we want to delete Apple Watch apps in list view. So we will simply scroll down and choose the app that we want to delete. Here is the app that we want to delete. So we will simply tap on it and hold for a few seconds until it starts jiggling like this. And once it starts jiggling, we simply need to tap on this cross icon to delete it, and it will ask for confirmation whether we want to delete the app or not. So I'll simply tap delete and the app will be deleted from the Apple Watch. So this is how you delete Apple Watch apps in list view. Now let's see how we delete it in the grid view. For that we will simply change the orientation to grid view and these Apple Watch apps will be shown in the grid view. Now let's suppose we want to delete this app. So we will simply tap on this and hold for a few seconds until it starts jiggling like this. Once it starts jiggling, we simply need to tap on the cross icon next to the app, and then it will ask for confirmation whether we want to delete the app or not. So we will simply tap delete app option and this app will be deleted from Apple Watch. So that is how you delete Apple Watch apps in the list view orientation as well as in the grid view orientation. And by the way, if you want to learn how to install apps on Apple Watch, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off and I'll see you in the next video.